How to log out of MEXC application on your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log out of your MEXC application. First of all, launch open the MEXC app on your mobile device, and then once you're inside the home page of MEXC, go to the top left corner and tap on the human icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, scroll all the way down and look for the Logout button. Tap on Logout and confirm by tapping the Confirm button, and you have now successfully logged out or signed out of MEXC application. Remember, logging out of your account does not delete your account. Make sure you know your email or phone number and password before logging out. If you remember your credentials, then you can access your account anytime you want. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.